all it takes. Falling in love with me. Possibilities that look like all you need. I'm vlogging. Hi guys. So I am in Singapore right now. I'm basically here to create content for my blog with Anisha, and Mohit is right there. But guys, oh, should I have a cramp on my foot? But basically this trip is turning out to be a really sad one. Like, I'm this close to crying because it's raining. Like, I never imagined, actually I didn't want to even like sort of think about it, but I never checked the weather because I'd already booked my tickets to come here like a month ago almost. So yeah, we booked our tickets to come here, and now it's raining. We're here for 2 days to shoot for the blog. We wanted to sort of, you know, travel and create content, do something fun for you guys. But it turns out that it's raining, and it's like the most awful weather obviously to shoot, because we wanted to do like so many looks for Instagram and the blog, and some brand collaborations as well. But I don't know how this is gonna work out because it's raining.
How do you feel?
I don't want to talk right now. Morning, Mohit.
Hi, morning.
Hello. Hi. Yeah, guys, it's still raining, but you know what? We're still gonna go. We're in the cab on our way to Sentosa. So we've made it to Sentosa, and it is sort of cloudy. Like, it stopped raining for now, but it's still cloudy, so can't really see much. But now we're just sort of taking the train to go to the Siloso beach. We're actually shooting swimwear today for H&M. Yeah, so let's hope it doesn't rain. Ooh, and my camera is fogging up. I'll clean you guys. So guys, we've made it to Siloso beach, and it's actually not raining now. So keep your fingers crossed for me, guys. Let's hope it doesn't rain, at least till I'm done like shooting here. And look at how pretty this beach is. I actually saw this beach last time when I was in Singapore at Sentosa Island with my family. There's a tram upstairs like that goes sort of around the island, and I saw this beach on that tram, so I knew I wanted to come here one day. So yeah, I'm gonna be shooting here today. Cool. I'm gonna get going before it starts raining again. I'm gonna get my looks done. So I am finally in a very happy mood because we finished with swimsuit number 1 for H&M, and now this one is number 2, and we got some really good shots. I'm gonna put a shot right here from a post that I did on Instagram for you guys to see. But yeah, I'm finally happy because we got something, and now we're shooting look number 2, and the beach is so nice, guys. I wish we could also chill after the shoot, but we gotta get going. This is where we shot right now, and look at how pretty these houses are, all colorful on both the sides. In fact, this side has like pastel houses, and those are like pop colors. So pretty. This place is called Koon Sang Road, and we're just done shooting here, but literally every corner of Singapore is so picturesque. I cannot deal with this, guys. I mean, I don't even think I should try fixing my hair because it's just a mess. But I am on Club Street right now, and oh my god, again, every corner is so picturesque. Like, it's full of colors on every corner, and it's actually like quite a long road. So you go down here, and then you take a right, you take a left. There are like clubs and restaurants and pubs everywhere. So we're just gonna do a couple of looks here. This is what I'm wearing right now. It's basically a set from Zara. So now we have an issue that we didn't think we would have. Guess what? Mohit's memory cards are full, and both of them are 62 GB, right? Yeah. On the hunt for a memory card, and we have no clue where to buy it from. We were just told that we might get it in Chinatown, so that's where we're going. But we will see. We will see. I'm just gonna follow that guy right there, Mr. Varu, because apparently he knows everything. Okay. I'm so dehydrated. I feel like I've barely had any water this entire trip. We've just been on the go since we've come here. So I've been eating so much crap, guys. Like, I feel disgusting. I can't wait to go back to Bombay and start eating healthy. And it's not just on this trip. It's been a while since I've been just eating crap, because I've been like traveling quite a bit. I can't talk. I've been traveling quite a bit, so I need to get back on track. Like, I've been working out, but I feel like till I don't start eating right, I'm not gonna sort of feel good. And I'm not trying to like lose weight or whatever, but it's just that I feel disgusting. Do you know what I mean? Like, if you have McDonald's... Oh, sorry. I dropped my jacket. Thank you. Okay, that's embarrassing. Just dropped my jacket. But as I was saying, I need to get back on track. I need to stop eating crap. Just had McDonald's today, casual, for lunch. And usually I'd never do that, so I need to get back on track. And I need to start working out more than I am. So yeah. Oh, they have a capsule pod hotel here. Like, Singapore has a lot of these, like, those capsule hotels, but I don't know if I could ever get myself to stay in one. Like, I feel like I would feel so claustrophobic to stay in a capsule hotel. I think Ashna has. I remember I saw Ashna's vlog where she stayed in a capsule hotel, but I can never do that. Mohit, do you know where we're going?
Zui, which moment you wanted to do there?
Shah Rukh Khan and Katrina Kaif moment, yeah.
I don't mind looking at you. There.
Guys, so it is our last day today in Singapore. In fact, we're leaving at about 3 o'clock for the airport, and we've got half a day to do our thing, and we've still actually got a couple of looks to shoot, so we're gonna like go and shoot that right now, and then go ahead and chill and maybe shop for a bit, because I definitely want to shop. I'm in Singapore. But yeah, I mean, first thing, we're gonna finish with our looks. Just waiting for Mohit. He's checking out from his hotel. It's like about 5 minutes away, so he's just gonna be here in a bit, and then we're gonna actually shoot the first look by the pool in this hotel and then move out. We'll probably go to Orchard Road, because this trip I haven't even been to Orchard Road, because every time I come to Singapore, that's like the first place that I go to, and that's usually where I stay. But this trip was different. Yeah, we're basically going to Orchard Road, and might get breakfast there. I have a reservation at a place called Honeycomb. I'm not sure. I'll have to check. But yeah, we're gonna go for breakfast. Go for a nice breakfast, because we've not had a nice sit-down breakfast since the time we've come here. Like, I kept on planning one, but it just didn't happen. Like, even the first day, because of the rains and because we got lost and so much happened, we couldn't go for the breakfast that we planned for. But hopefully today we're gonna do a nice breakfast and shoot and shop and all of that. And I'm actually almost packed. I have to do a shoot in the room as well, like I'm shooting a video, so we're gonna sort of clean up the room quickly, but I am pretty much packed. We packed last night. Last night we went to Clarky's, had a lot of fun, chilled, walked randomly, random streets. We were just having fun, having a good time, and we got home at about 12:30 the night. Then I packed and then I slept, so I'm pretty tired. We've been sleeping for like 4 hours roughly since the time we've come here, so I really need to catch up on my sleep once I'm back home. But anyway, enough of that. Good morning, guys, and I'm just gonna get ready now for the shoot, and I'll see you when I'm shooting. Hey, so now we're heading to Orchard Road, and we're just gonna grab breakfast first, because I am starving, like so hungry. So we're gonna get breakfast, and then we're gonna start shooting a couple of looks. This is one of them. This look is from Urvashi Kaur, and I absolutely love it. Like, I can literally sleep in it and also like go out for dinner in it. I love it. And yeah, shoot for a bit and then get shopping. So today is sort of a fun day and not all work, right guys? Today is also a fun day. We're going shopping.
Hope so.
Yeah, but where is our cab? Food's here. Guys, I was just wondering, what if I go this short with my hair? What do you guys think? I feel like it'll be a good change because I've literally never had short hair. So like this short. Please let me know what you guys think. And yeah, I'm tempted though. I'm really tempted. Anyway, I'm changed now. I'm shooting for Cotton World. So this is basically the look. The t-shirts from Cotton World. So I'm gonna go and shoot. On our way to the airport, and look at the size of this car. That's the size that we needed, looking at the luggage that we had. Yeah, all packed up, guys. Time to go.